turn the shower on?
Shower on.
Alright, let me show you how to build a cheap, quick and easy hot water heater. Now this is built for an outdoor shower on an off-road vehicle. You will need a copper pipe, any diameter and some basic tools.
How hard can it be?
We need to coil the copper pipe. We do not have a tube bender. So in order for us to complete this task without kinks is to fill it either with sand or with water. We opted for water. To seal off one of the ends, simply crimp the pipe with a side cutter. Then you can fill it with hot glue, and after the hot glue has set, you can crimp the end as well. After the glue has set, you can fill the copper pipe with water, but just ensure there's no bubbles in the system, because air can compress, water cannot compress. And this is key to ensure there's no kinks in the pipe. After the pipe is completely full of water, crimp the end with a side cutter, pour some more hot glue and seal again to make sure it's a tight seal. Now the fun can begin. Ensure that you make tight, neat coils. The tighter, the better. We used the old piece of pipe as a guide.